Hello guys, hello YouTube, hello. Welcome to the stream. Zero viewers today. We don't know why, but let's continue with our trading. And what do we have today? Let the market open first and we can do analysis after that. Alright. Coming to today's the Asian set the early high of the day. It's what I am looking at right now. Like if you guys can see this high is set and now currently I think we are market is open. Another 5 minutes, another not 5 minutes actually. Another 1 minute to open equity open. New York equity open. I wanted to like really pump higher because we are inside of daily fair value gap if you see in indices. Thank you. We are inside of this daily fair value gap and this is the order block. Hello, hello. So this is the order block. We might uh, see a good pump here, or else we do have this empty here with Asian session. So yeah, if this is a early high set during Asian, then we can look for you know further more lower prices. I mean this SMP we are looking at right now. That's the thing. That's the only thing we can say for now. 9:30 open, 1 hour C3. That it will push it up here. I think why I'm there should be some kind of track and correlation in why 1 hour. Very close, but basically don't have any crack and correlation. But you see 4 hour, 4 hour is still pumping. Totally decoupled, like both the assets, both the uh, all of three indices are totally decoupled. If you see, look at these choppy projection here. Like look at these, a lot of PSPs are forming. OM is not at all good today. Maybe yesterday I was anticipating these highs to be taken, but we haven't yet cleared those highs as the other two assets are like kept on dropping. So probably yeah, I'm gonna wait another half an hour, close this, or else we might decide our bias in another half an hour. Like not I'm not a person who will come with a predetermined bias before the live stream or anything. Just look at the market, whatever the market is showing, just react to it. Your trade should be the reaction of whatever the market is showing to you, not you're going to decide before this is gonna happen. No, that's not how it's going to work. No one can, you know, predict beforehand what's the market is going to do. To trade, right? How should I help you, bro? How can I help you? कैसे कैसे कर सकता हूँ बताओ. सीखना तो आप ही को है. ट्रेड करना भी तो आप ही को है। अगर रिसोर्सेस चाहिए तो कुछ वैसा हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, बट सीखने के लिए आई कांट डू मोर देन दैट। आपको एक्सपीरियंस करना ही पड़ेगा, ये चीज़ आपको ट्रेड पंच करना ही पड़ेगा, तब तक आप सीख नहीं पाओगे। दैट्स अ हार्श ट्रूथ ऑफ ट्रेडिंग। No one can teach you basically. Like technicals can be taught, but those technicals are not at all a big deal. You can learn it from for free in YouTube as well. No worries, bro. How we doing? 9:30. I thought we had a good manipulation. Minutes. Second correlation here. We had a good closure though. Both over there. Would love to see 30-minute happening. Yeah. 30 minutes. Second correlation. अगर ये टू स्टेज होता तो that would be so good. But we don't have much time. That's a problem. No, bro, I'm not a master. I'm not perfect. Basically, that's what I could tell you. Can't say I'm a perfect guy. Like every trade I take will be a winner. We have here to wait. This might have been a like good setup, but I prefer to wait. Or 10 a.m. setup should be a setup, not this. You are can be a good setup, but I'm not going to punch before 10 a.m. That's out of my rules. So if I'm missing it, then that's fine. I'm going to rush things here. Yeah, you're daily late because from today onwards I'm gonna watch this daily. Yeah, bro. I'll be doing daily live streams. Make sure to join my Discord and follow me on Instagram. There you'll be getting updates on like how I'll be doing live streams. If I wanna miss, I'll definitely update it on Instagram. I think it's in description, bro. रुको मैं पिन कर देता हूँ chat में. यहाँ पे मैं ब्रेक होना चाहता अगर ये ट्रेड लिया रहता तो। इस माय इंस्टाग्राम गाइस। कर दिया हूँ। फॉलो कर सकते हो आप लोग जाके, if you want to, please do follow. And that beautiful. We can't decide anything right now. I'm going to wait for the name open. That will give me a more clear direction or a more clear structure. So you guys can see we are still in this daily level gap. I don't know. We might continue pushing lower from here, but I prefer to wait another 15 minutes maybe. Yeah, another 15, 90, 20 minutes. Really want to reverse from here, we are going to capture a continuation trade. This is not a trade have taken it. I've just marked it. We might uh, look at it like this, but I'll be waiting for 10 a.m. open. Going to the gold. Gold is kind of respecting this trend line, breaking down. We do have a lot of liquidity down here in gold. That is good. It is low. I think we are going to push a little bit more lower. Hello, hello, brother. Hello, hello, Arman. Welcome to the stream. Make sure to like the stream, guys. These are the daily lows. Here with the 4 hour. Yeah. What about silver? Should have a lot of liquidity to take down in silver. Cleared these in gold, but not yet in silver. So let's see. I'm expecting the gold to, keep on dropping at this point, or else if we clear this low, if this is if we want to reverse from this swing point down here, then I need more confirmation to take bullish trade at this point in gold and silver. Coming to the oil, yesterday we had a beautiful trade in oil during live stream. To have these lows to be taken, you see a beautiful lows down here. 4 hour, do we have anything in 4 hour? So we do have this one stage. So, so what do we think? What do you think? Is this the high of the day? This point? Maybe it is. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close and then we are going to decide. I'm more biased towards bearish here in oil, but I think I'm going to wait a little bit more for 10 a.m. to open and then decide what's gonna happen. Look at this beautiful banger trade, guys. I know we missed it, but again, it should not be the problem because our like my strategy personally tells me to take the trade on 10 a.m. So trying to avoid whatever the smoke screen. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, Karan. What's up? What's up? Look at this beautiful 5 minute long setup there. I would have taken it in evals, but that's fine. Beautiful. Beautiful setup. Another 15 minutes. So this is simply what confirmed here. Now getting a pullback and then push higher. Or else we are going to expand it. I want this to happen. I'll be that will be more clear for me. Expand and then open, low, high, and then expansion. If we get any entry during this area, this will be a 10 a.m. open, setting the low instead of key level, which is this IFPG. And then if we get an entry over here, we can just push higher, look for some continuation trades if it is possible. Or else we need to wait more. The gold, look at this London accumulation today. I want these London highs to be taken first before pushing lower, forming the kind of good reversal condition there. If silver takes the high, then gold fails to take the high, then we'll be having a good crack and correlation and continuation towards the downside. We do have something in 2 hours here, 2 hour time frame, but I don't much rely on 2 hour. Mhm. That is oil. That is two stage here, guys. PSP, beautiful two stage. I think we will be end up getting good setup in oil today as well. Another 11 minutes. Look at this two stage and the set of delivery and three, and then we are going to flush down here. Beautiful, beautiful 1 hour setup there. If you would have entered at, like, if someone have entered at this point, he'll be catching the entire range of the day. Maybe is have a clear drawn liquidity towards downside, and this a lot of, so HO is looking clear, but crude oil, even it is looking clear, we can frame out anything out of this. Yeah, good morning, sir. Gold just had a nice setup, 90-minute two stage at low of the day. Silver formed a 30-minute cap and two stage inside of the cap. PIST at 9:45, 1 minute V-shaped recovery. Yeah, I think you're talking about this two stage here. But again, 10 a.m. candle, 30-minute two stage was a it's 30 minutes goods bullish. Yeah, this thing. I'm gonna wait. 10 a.m. will be my setup. Setup other than that. If we get this two stage, I'm gonna go reversal from at this point, from this point. Like if we get something like this, yes, or else I'm gonna stay bullish for now. I've entered at 30-minute two stage, but almost likely I'll get a selling gold. 30 minutes two stage. Like, are you in a bearish trade or bullish trade? 40-minute two stage. Where which 30-minute two stage you are talking about? This? The other stage was the candle before that one. Is it? Yeah, this one. Yeah, saw this. But I don't wanna stuck in range. I need a clean, good expansion candle be engaged in. Another 5 minutes though. 8:30, 9:30, and that happened inside of 30-minute gap on silver. Yeah, yeah, that's a good key level there to bounce off. But look at this, like looking at the other assets, like not other assets, looking at the gold and silver itself. Um, Overall, I'm bearish in gold because we do have a clean drawn liquidity on the left side there. If you look at the silver, for me, it is just a reaction, and the real delivery happens from this gap. I'm expecting that to happen. If that, if it doesn't happen, then again, I'm gonna skip the asset and trade other assets, whatever we have clean. Look at this. We are having a good reversal from that point as we expected. But I was expecting this as a two-stage for more confirmation. But again, that's fine. We are inside of continuation, and one stage works perfectly for me. No worries. Yeah, the beautiful inversion here. Let's see how 10 a.m. opens here. Another 3 minute, guys. Then the 10 a.m. is about to open. It- Here. Oh, yeah, it- a bit confusion here. Look at this second correlation forming. This inversion. Another 2 minutes for 10 a.m. open. Wait, nothing much we can do here at this point. Waiting for 10 a.m. open. Another 1 minute here. I really want this to hold, this bevel gap to hold, or else some kind of crack and correlation with this high again and then push lower. That can happen. Name open and our game begins, guys. You're not ready to wait. Oil. Happening in oil. Stage here. Open out 10 here. Yeah. The name is open here in oil. Let's wait for it to turn and then we can look for very straight there. Have this high of the day set. Let's wait. Lower the NQ. 10 a.m. open. We should be setting the high of 10 a.m. open. Sorry, 10 a.m. candle, 4 hour candle, and then we will be looking for a trade there. We have, let's see. How much? Hmm, 2 is fine. Let's see if we get a closure below here, or else I think we might need to wait. Have a like very beautiful close there. How much can I? 11 contracts? It's nice, but we're gonna punch because look at this, various swings up there. But I don't know. We don't even have that Kraken correlation to consider it as a swing. So just trying to avoid high risky trades. SMT at the highs in indices. Yeah, I know we have this SMT, but I don't want to stuck in job. I will be waiting for this change in state of delivery or else like this 3 minute change in state of delivery. This we do have this small SMT forming here right now. We don't know what's gonna happen. We might drop oil, not yet turned, so not much interested in oil. So 30 minute, we are having this PSP in 30 minutes, but don't know what's gonna happen. We might end up chopping here. About gold and silver, as expected, gold started dropping from that fair value gap there, like silver and gold. Actually, I talked about silver previously in the stream. But let's see what's gonna happen. The high of this 10 a.m. is not looking at all favorable to me. Push it lower, but this 1 hour, I can correlation here. If I wanna try like list trade from this point, I need to wait for it to close above here, above 594, which will take a lot of time. So that's the thing. Look at this. We didn't get that change in state of delivery. That's the reason I avoided that trade and it directly hit like about to hit my SL. So need to wait, guys. Nowadays, as soon as the market opens, it just starts chopping. But the overnight expansions are so clean that you know the market had already delivered what it has to deliver before the market open. Make sure to subscribe the channel, guys. If you haven't yet, it will help me a lot grow my YouTube channel. We inverted this 3 minute here. That's nice. 1 minute. I'm gonna wait a little bit more, guys. Not gonna rush at this point. I'm back. Tap inside of this inversion here. And here, hold on. What is straight away dumping, guys? What is this straight away dumping here? This. I haven't got this in this state of delivery here as well. Again, that's a sign for me to just avoid that trade. Shorts on gold. Yeah, shorts look good, but I need this change in state of delivery to go shorts because we have this Beverly gap which can hold the price and push higher. So just being safe. 5 minute order block. I might try this. The 1 minute. The problem is 30 minute ESP there. This high might stay protected, but let's see what's gonna happen. I'm doing totally decoupled, guys. YM is like just feeling like a hell. Hell, bro. Come on, bro. YM cleared the London lows. What the fuck? Look at this. Crazy. We are turning. We are turning, boys. If we didn't get this or 5 minute change instead of delivery, like here, this or that, then we are gonna chop today. That's what I'm expecting. I might end up taking no trades if we don't get a good change instead of delivery and keep on shopping around here. Oil not yet turned, so the gold. Yeah, we do have shorts in gold. 10 minute open to have shorts in gold. We might end up missing that. Come on, limit 94. Want to limit it there. If we get a tap, then that's fine. If we don't get a tap, then that's fine too. Come on, what's MNQ doing? Yeah, we are about to get a good push in MNQ as well. Like MNQ, let's get rid of this, guys. Let's concentrate on what we planned. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I don't like this, whatever the market is doing here right now. Look at these rejections here instead of this favorable gap. I would have probably stopped out in a minute there. So sometimes we have to trust our intuitions. Look at the chart. This inversion is still holding, kind of. You guys can see. We are gonna wait. Either we need the market to come here or come here, down here. This is a range. We have to break the any of this side. Look at the gold. Thank God we are not in, we didn't engage that trade. 10 minutes. Look at this game. That 15 minutes. See, I can wait for this now because we had a enough very well pull back there. 30 minutes. Oh, still got 10 minutes for 30-minute closure. We can get enough push to take this lows. And then we can be break even at that point. Let's see. NQ. Yeah, we are pushing lower in NQ as we expected. Yes. Put up this. Oh, we missed 5 minutes. Shit. Oh, come on. How much can I risk if I get entry here? You are? 3 micros. Oh, that's good. Look at the job, guys. Now this should hold. Not liking what's happening with indices today. I'm in a flip in. That's cool. Problem is we haven't yet tapped. It's a problem there. Another 2 minutes. What's gold doing? Yeah, gold is looking good though. At this point, gold is looking good. Me much. Risk on this shorts that appear in gold. Well, two, two works. Only like we get this change instead of delivery. Thank you. NQ, even NQ is looking cool. I'll go with two here. This Beverly gap cares a little bit there. Let's spin it. Let's hold this hold setup bar. Let's see. Our entry should be here at this point. No, that's fine. I thought I would miss it. Thank you doing. Not at all liking it. You had way more better than gold. But whatever, you're already in the trade. Gonna just hold it. What's all doing? Look at the NQ, bro. Come on. Crazy dumb thing. So cool. If I invest this gap, I'm going to be exiting. Price is getting support from here and pushing higher. Not like this. Whatever. Bring full weight indices here. Hold it. Go. Tap there. Try this. Same risk. Let's see. Hmm. Log out from here. 350, that's fine. Mm, okay. 3 minute open there. Hmm. Yes. You got it with 4 contract. That works. Yeah, if we don't get any changes rate of delivery here, then I'm gonna avoid it. You got that. No caps, no good displacements. So just going to avoid it. Look at the cold guys. Me out like accurate early. Nobody lost there, but silver. I'm gonna play on limits. Limits that. If you don't get a tap, then that's fine. Can't do anything about that. Got a tap there. Have a very small DPR here. One. Let's hold and see. I'm gonna go break even at if it taps this level gap almost. Yeah, it break even there just to be safe. Beautiful trade. Just right now. Beautiful inversion there as well. Whatever. I'm gonna just hold it. We haven't yet reached the 2 hours, at least like I'll be booking 2 hour at least, but we haven't yet reached the 2 hours, so I'm not gonna panic and exit. So the like very basic draw down here would be this low, at least. This low should be taken at least. And then we might think of, you know, pairing it here, not. We're dropping. Short there, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful closure. Beautiful. Just to be safe. Handle there. Very safe trade. Very, very safe trade at this point. Let's hold it. Come on, last candle, give it a push. Come on, NQ. Come on. So, whatever, I'm gonna take 800 there. Yes, sir. Beautiful trade. Beautiful 3.5 hour trade there on NQ as we planned. I might have fumbled with the gold a little bit because, yeah, again, it happens. But this in gold, sorry, not gold. This in NQ, it's a free money, guys. Because all the day we've been short, the displacement we got overnight. No, we might get around how much points we got on this? 99 points, like literally 100 points there. I might have held it a little bit more, but I don't want to take risk because like I got what I wanted. So I think that's that's it, guys. It's a beautiful trade, beautiful trade. See executions. Yes, sir. See executions. Good shots here. Let me just put screenshot for my journaling there. Beautiful, beautiful shots. Beautiful. One who missed it, guys. Very small, very small loss on gold, but that's fine. We can handle those losses. Crazy shots, guys. This is the reason why I was very cautious about my stop loss there. As we were trading on 1 minute, we'll be not having much room, to keep on holding the trade because one higher time frame pullback can stop us out anywhere. So we have to be careful. We have to be keep on trailing. We have to be, booking our profits wherever we get chances to do that. But that's a good trade there today. Beautiful trade. I think we might be ending upstream today early, too early. It's okay. Yeah. I have evals to trade, guys. Like live account got a lot of time, but evals don't have much time. I'm missing my evals. Like I forget about evals while I'm trading live accounts. Beautiful trade. Anyone dare to long here? You can. It's not about like anyone dares too long, but it's a bit risky. Like what do you guys think? If you wanted to long, like if anyone wanted to long here, what do you like call them? Like what do you tell them? Is it is it a good call to long or beautiful trade, guys? Yesterday we had 2 hour in oil, and today we had 3.5 hour in Nasdaq. But like consider the point 0.5 is a loss in a gold, which is very small. But again, we had a good 3 hour trade here. Beautiful trade. The only thing is we need to wait a lot uh, in any assets. If you're trading gold, NQ or ES, just you have to wait. I like so sometimes I used to fumble and trade during London sessions and lost a lot of accounts doing that. Just make sure to wait, have patience. You'll get your setup. Only play when you get your setup, or else just stay away from the markets. Anything else, guys? Anything else you guys want to talk or anything else you want to ask? Or else I'm gonna end stream today. Like we are done. The beautiful trade. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you guys want to ask anything, I'm gonna give you another minute. So if you guys have any doubts, anything, you guys can ask, or else we are gonna end stream today. Another minute, another 1 minute candle here. The current candle, if it closes, we are going to end our stream today. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Trade safe. Bye bye.